Hello guys, basically I would like to welcome you to this Facebook Mailchimp email solution integration tutorial. It's like it's been too much, Abby. I don't know. You comment below, let me hear from you how you feel and what had been the challenge so far. Interestingly, what we are going to achieve today in this tutorial may be a little bit longer, but what we are going to achieve today is a CRM integration. Okay, and this CRM we are not going to use Zapier. If you know about Zapier, you know what I mean by email automation sequence and integrations and what have you. Hope it is not too long. So feel free. We are going to test something that is proven. I've actually used it and I've worked some people online on that. If you have any questions at the end of the tutorial, I can still use Facebook to see your screen, or Skype, see your screen, see what you are going through, and tell you these are the things you should tweak up. So basically, what are we going to achieve at the end of this solution, at the end of this tutorial, is that we are going to connect our Facebook page to our Mailchimp account. I have actually done a tutorial on how to set up your Mailchimp account. Go into my video channel, you will see the tutorial, and I would try to put the link down in my description so that you can have all the guidelines together as a bunk. So the point here is this: if you have created your Facebook page and you've actually created your email solution, and I took my time, God knows I took my time to explain page by page how you can actually set up your email solution. So the next thing is for lead generation. There is another tutorial I've done on lead generation. Go through my videos, you will see tutorials on these solutions. I've tried as much as possible to carry everybody along. If you have any question, please feel free to comment and send me any chat. My links are always available. You can send me any chat. I would be glad to really walk you through. So our solution today is linking our Facebook page lead form. Not just the Facebook page. There is a lead form under the lead generation form with Facebook. There is a lead form that we are going to link up with Mailchimp. Mailchimp is an email solution, and it is, even for the first 1,000, 2,000 subscribers, it's going to be free, and you can use it on that. So I said Zapier is a CRM solution whereby you can integrate and automate some functionalities, and it is a payment solution. So without CRM, you can actually connect your Facebook lead form to your Mailchimp, and I think I've only used it for Mailchimp. And in fact, it was not that easy. I was like, okay, wait, like I did something, and that was just a secret. That was actually why I'm actually doing this video. I'm going to show you the difference and what the result you will see. So the first thing I've done a video on this. That is Mailchimp. Open a Mailchimp account, and in your audience tag, I would go to my Mailchimp, and I will go to my Mailchimp audience tag. You have to work something here. You have to do some. You delete. Let me reduce this. I'm going to still go through everything so that you will not get it twisted. It's not going to be confusing. So you have to work something here. Now, the idea is this. Let me come back to my notepad. The idea is this. We want to collect the name, phone number, and email. That is our idea. That is what we actually need. And in our lead generation, we have set our lead form on Facebook lead generation. We have set our lead form. I've done tutorial on that too. If you don't understand, you have to go back and go and watch those tutorials, because it would help you at this stage. This is an advanced stage of integration and integration. So the point is this: in our lead form on Facebook, we are getting the name, the phone number, and email address. If you want to connect Facebook with Mailchimp, you would have to set your Mailchimp tags, audience tags, to be only the name, the phone number, and email address, because you have to select them. Okay, so what you have to first of all do is come to your Mailchimp, open your Mailchimp account. Your Mailchimp account, this is how it's going to look like. And under this manage audience, if you should go to Mailchimp first time, this is what you are going to see. So come to settings, and under the settings you will come to audience field and match tags, this place. So that is where you have here audience field and match tags. So that is just the step. Then you delete anything you know, the field you don't want, because it is only the field that you have here, okay, that is compulsory, that would be needed on your Facebook page. So you, if there are no, if you have more field here and we have less field there, it's not going to work, it's not going to submit. Okay, that is one thing I've experienced from those people I've worked with. So that is why I need to first of all I treat this important. So you go to your Mailchimp account, come to your manage audience, go to your settings. Under your setting, come to your audience field and match tags, and under your audience just select or delete. You have to delete some, I don't know, is either you delete or select, it depends on the settings that you have on your Mailchimp. But what you need is the email, the text, which is the name, and the phone number. So once you've gotten this, then you will save the changes. So if you now come to your account, these are the only ones that you need for your Facebook. Whenever you are creating your Facebook form too, these are the only ones you need. Now, interestingly, I would like to tell you that there is a very interesting difference between Facebook page and Facebook business, or business Facebook page. It is the same, but there's differences there. I don't know. Probably some people will prove me right or wrong. So Facebook page is a normal page that you have. Meanwhile, Facebook business page is the same normal page, but the business version. The same normal page, the same thing, nothing different, but the business version. So there are some features that are enabled on the Facebook page. Those features are also enabled on the Facebook business page, the business version, but there are some advanced benefits. So for you to be able to connect your Facebook page with Mailchimp, you first of all have to set Mailchimp audience tag well. When that one is done, you will now set up your lead form. You have to set up your lead form. So I'm going to show you that. Then you will then access Facebook page through the business end, not the normal page that you see there. I'm going to show you, and that is where you now connect your Facebook lead form setup with Mailchimp. However, if you go through normal Facebook page, it will pop up Zapier. That is what you are going to see. You are going to see Zapier, and people should try this and let me know in the comments if I'm right or wrong, because I've tested the two, and that is what led to the solution I actually am using now, and I'm using for most of my clients. If you are running marketing on Facebook, you just link your Facebook with your email solution and run your lead generation from Facebook, direct them to your email, and keep remarketing with your email. And from your email you can then redirect them to your website, because they are already in your email. Even if they don't buy now, they don't buy today, they can buy, or they may buy in the next few days after they get to engage with you. So now let me just show you same Facebook page, some of my pages that I manage. Now let me use this tutorial, this store, as a tutorial now. Interestingly, this store is a new store, and we are trying to grow it. We have our website, so you can actually check out our website. We sell products, okay, Mumtaz, okay, this is the URL, the domain address of the website. Marketing for the website. If you are in Nigeria, if you are in Lagos, make order, will fulfill the products. And wait, my own internet is not going, the website is live, so let me just leave that. And that was just why I created those pages, because I know the internet will be a problem, but that should not be a distraction. So in summary, this is a Facebook page. Okay, under the page you have page, ad center, inbox, notification, inside, publishing too. Actually, we are coming to publishing too. That is where we are actually coming. But interestingly, this is also Facebook page. This same page, the first page that we just look at now. This same page, M Royal Online Store. It is this same M Royal Online Store. You can see the link here. But this one is coming directly from Facebook to the web page. This one is going from business of Facebook to the web page. And when you look at it, what is the difference? There is no difference, except that if you actually look at it together, you will see that you are accessing this from your business account. And you can see the color is like this brown or no, deep. But this one is normal from my normal account, okay, and these are just major difference there. So what we are going to do is that we are going to access our business.facebook.com. Okay, that is the first thing we are going to do. Let me come back to my notepad to show you the steps. So I just need to let you understand that we are accessing Facebook page, the business version, and I'm going to show you how we will get there. And we are actually accessing this publishing tool. Our aim is to access this publishing tool, and it's from the publishing tool we will then link our form with Mailchimp, but it's going to be on the version of business.facebook.com publishing tool. And let me show you here. So business.facebook.com, this one, we are coming to this publishing tool. Actually, I've done several videos on this too, no big deal. But then what we need to know is what we are doing now. So the first thing we are going to do is the first thing we are going to do is to create a business.facebook.com account. So that you'll be able to create your ads account, you'll be able to create your business manager account, and there you'll be able to run your ads accounts. Okay, you'll be able to create manager accounts, and of course there are so many other things. Then you'll be able to add your page. You add your page to your business .facebook.com. So is it clear? What we are saying in essence is this: your normal account, you can create page. Now your business.facebook account is a business tool. So you would create a business.facebook account, and you will link your normal page that you have created. You will add it to your business.facebook account, and then you will be able to access some features with business.facebook accounts, such as linking your publishing tool setup with Facebook, with Mailchimp. So the first thing we are going to do is, if you come to your business manager, let me show you. If you come to your business, that is your account manager, your manager account. So when you get to this place, you would be able to add your ad accounts. This ad account, you'll be able to add your ad account. You'll also be able to add pages, your pages. Let me show you some of the pages I have added onto this page. You'll be able to add some pages, and you would then be able to access those pages by just clicking on it. it is at the end of the business.facebook.com. Just click on this. It's going to take you to that page under the business ID. So then you then click on publishing to. So I'm going to access Facebook now. I'm going to access Facebook page now, not from normal Facebook, but from the business accounts. And I told you this page is a new one. And what happened is that you would have to create a lead campaign, a lead form. So I have actually created a lead form or lead forms. I think it's the only one I've created. Okay, I've created lead form, and this lead is active because I'm running a campaign, and this lead had actually generated two leads presently. Then I can download them, and if I download, I can follow up. But if I want to connect, I can connect their page with the CRM. Okay, and if I should do that, it's going to take me to Zapier. So what I now need to do is come to lead setup, and here I will now click on Mailchimp. Once I click on Mailchimp, it's going to show connect. This is taking me directly to Mailchimp. Once I click on Mailchimp and it's taking me directly to Mailchimp, if I should click connect, it's going to authorize Mailchimp here. It's going to connect directly to Mailchimp here. And I'm connecting it to Mumtaz Royal now. Oh, my internet is slow. So it is connecting to Mailchimp. It's connected to Mailchimp now under my account. So I now want to select a form. There is a form I've created on this is even not my own. Let me log out from this. There's a form I've created on this Mailchimp for Royal. So there's a form I've already created. Now these are the fields. It's going to populate the field, and once it populates the field, the tags that I've created in the, once it populates them here, I'm going to fill the name, the email and phone number, and I'm done. I'll just click save, and once it saves, it's going to connect my Facebook page, my Facebook. Okay, good. I'm good. I'm very, very happy. You know, I showed something here before I close it. Please. I showed something here about the field tags and what have you, but it was on my own. Yeah, Mojeed Fetuga marketing solution. So I would want to log on to my internet. So the point here is this. I think with this stage, at this stage, I'm happy that in fact this even showed up, because I will be able to use. So what we have here is that this field, okay, your Mailchimp list contain fields that cannot be connected to your Facebook form leads, and that's just it. So we have to go and delete some fields here. I will delete some field, then I will only have under this tag and audience field, I will only have those three fields. my name, the name of the recipient that I want to collect their form, the name, the phone number, and the email address. Once I can get these three set up on my Mailchimp, and that is the three that I actually wanted to have on this solution, is going to connect. And subsequently, any email, any leads that I make from Facebook campaign, lead generation Facebook campaign, is going to automatically link up with my Mailchimp, and it will go. So subsequently, I will be able to just remarket audience from my Mailchimp without, I will be running campaign to generate more audience, more leads. Like this one I'm using for this tutorial now just generated 2 leads. Those 2 leads will not come to my Mailchimp, but subsequent leads that I will generate will be coming into my Mailchimp, and I'll be using my Mailchimp to remarket. The concept is all about remarketing. Okay, somebody who saw your ads today may not buy your product immediately because probably they don't need the product now, because Facebook is an interrupted based marketing. But when you have an opportunity to take their leads, their data, and you have it as in it's part of your own source of remarketing, you don't need to pay for those campaign again. You just need to use Mailchimp to start writing your content, your email, and all those things, and you remarket, and that is just it. And I'm very, very happy. In fact, I'm happy that showed. It will just go. You don't need Zapier, you don't need to pay any money, you don't need to pay anything, and it is working. Okay, so this is a step-by-step guide to linking your email solution with with Facebook. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to complete my tutorial. But all I have done, I have explained to you what all you need to do and how you need to get it done. So all you need to just do now is okay, I'm signing up. I'll do this one later. I think it should go. If it goes, I will be just my internet is a bit slow and it's really affecting, but that is not the point. The point is that if you understand what we are saying is you are going to connect your Facebook page with your lead form. If you don't know Facebook page lead form, you need to go and watch the videos I've done on that. You will set up a lead form will be active, running. So the tags, the audience tags that field, the name field that you have selected in the form or Facebook lead campaign form is that same one that you will set your Mailchimp to be. Now there are 2 accounts now: the Facebook lead that is running actively on Facebook, the Mailchimp account that you have created. Mailchimp is free, as in first 1,000 subscribers they are free, you are not paying a penny. So you are going to link this Facebook, but you are not going to link the ordinary page Facebook. You are going to link the business.facebook.com account or Facebook page to your Mailchimp, and it's going to go just like what you saw there. So I'm going to complete this tutorial. I'm going to stop this tutorial. I'm going to complete the Mailchimp of a thing, and that will be done. The internet is somehow slow, and I'm sorry about that. We are in Nigeria, so we know how things work. But the job will be done, and this is how it works. It's very simple and straightforward. So at the end of the whole show, I would end up with this. Now, what I'm going to just do is just go to Mailchimp and remove this zip code, because I'm not using zip code and date. I only want text and number, which is the phone, and I don't want this website. So what I want is just the text, which is the name, the number, which is the phone number. That is just it. I don't want the date, I don't want zip code, I don't want all those. I'm going to remove those fields, and once I do that, I will refresh this one and it's going to go. And here you will see active. For you to just know, let me come internet. My own page, I thought I opened these things down. My own page would have that connected. My own Facebook page. I'm running 2 Facebook pages, and both of them are connected to that Mailchimp. Oh, my internet is not going. So summarily, that is just it. That is just it. Try it. If you have any issues, feel free to call on me, chat me up. I would walk you through. I would use. I will show your screen. I will just see your screen, and we'll work it out. It's simple. You don't need to pay huge money to run a CRM solution. And please make some money. In the next video I'm going to do here, would answer some questions like this one is answering CRM connected to Facebook page connected to Mailchimp. So I'm going to do some other tutorials. If you have any questions, if you have anything you feel as far as digital marketing is concerned, Facebook marketing is concerned, you need explanation on, just chat me up. Or my social channels are very, very much available. Follow me on all my social channels. Ask me any question. I will try as much as possible to give you valuable results and answer, and I will support you in any way that would be mutually beneficial. Thank you. Till next video. Thank you and God bless. I'm going to release my next video next week on Tuesday, God willing, and I'm going to look at some areas on digital marketing solutions. Please take your time, test all these things. They are working, and you can leverage, integrate all these solutions together and get good results. I wish you all the best. Bye.